The helicopter is equipped with two TV3 117 VMA turbo shaft engines, each of 2,200 horsepower. It has high performance in a wide range of altitudes and temperatures. The helicopter's power unit is fitted out with a dust protection device and exhaust heat shields. When flying at high altitudes, for protection against icing, the helicopter has an anti-icing system. The pilot and operator are arranged in tandem. For the crew's normal vital activity in flight, there is an automatic air pressure regulating system and an air conditioning system, providing the crew's operation in a temperature range from minus 50 degrees centigrade to plus 37 degrees centigrade. For flying at altitudes above 3,000 meters, the helicopter is fitted out with oxygen equipment. High combat survivability of the Mi-25 helicopters is ensured by the duplication and reservation of the most vitally important systems: highly efficient cockpit, engine compartment, main gearbox compartment, hydraulic compartment armoring. Sealing and filling of fuel tanks with foam polyurethane significantly enhances the helicopter's survivability when hit by bullets and fragments, and blocks fuel leakage within 6 to 8 hours. A radar warning system, IR jammer, chaff and flare dispenser are installed on the helicopter. Flight navigation equipment and automatic flight control system allow the helicopter to fly at any time of day in simple and adverse weather conditions, both by visual flight rules and instrument flight rules on any air routes and over reference terrain. On this helicopter, as on the Mi-35M, the fuselage is being modified and the lights are being adapted to night vision goggles. The radio-electronic complex Brio-24 and the night thermal imagining guidance systems, however, together with the standard day guidance equipment, are intended for providing round-the-clock application of all types of the helicopter's guided and unguided armament. Mi-35 type helicopters and their modifications possess a high performance and serve as effective and reliable means of fighting in present-day conditions.